Hi guys, I'm number 43 Clifford Crescent in Ingleburn. This is an absolute beauty. 692 square meters, 20-meter frontage. So you've got a stunning big frontage in there. It does not come with this dog. That's Snow. It's an original Australian home. So you got this beautiful character in here. Basically 3 bedrooms, 2, 3. The bathroom in here. It has multiple living areas. That's the formal living area in here. You got a separate dining in here. That's the kitchen. Then you've got this. Apart from this casual living area, you also have a sunroom. The best part of the house, I think personally, is the backyard. Got a double carport in here. They've also converted one of the garage into another room. You've also got a couple of storage sheds in here as well. You've got the Collins Promenade at the back, so you can come in from there. And you've got side access from both sides. So if you're looking for something which is like a perfect block, let me know. This is a really good one, guys. Bye now.